If you look at it, yes, people say there's a recession out there, but provided you understand the market sector you're going in, look at the sector, do your research, run the numbers, understand your strengths, your weaknesses, and that if you're competitors, then there's never been a better time. Focus on why you started the business. Understand where you're going. Make sure before you start the business, you've got a business plan that you believe in, because if you don't believe in it, the banks who are going to lend you money will never believe in it. When you start your business, cash flow is the main thing you need to look at. Don't start spending your money on anything. Understand what you're spending it on and make sure it's to grow your business. When you're successful, you have enough money to spend on anything you want. But just remember, in the early years, you concentrate on the business itself. You can work hard and play hard, and that's what it's all about, your own business. Yes, you work hard, but you reap the rewards.